M0FXB, welcome to my channel. So as you know, Carl at DV Mega has created a new hotspot. This one works via USB but can also work with Pi-Star, and that would be wireless. So I'm going to show you how to do that. In a previous video I've showed you how to use it with the Blue DV system, which looks like this. So first thing you're going to need to do, if you look at the image on the screen, you can see there's a Raspberry Pi. Now I've got mine in a black case, but you can see that on the Raspberry Pi there is a USB cable, micro USB, going into the new Gen Blue stack here, which I'm lifting up and down now, and you can see the black cable going into it there, and that's micro USB to micro USB. You can buy an adapter, but these are £3 online. So the white cable you can see is just going to a power source, which is powering both of the devices. So once you've got these connected, remember that the Raspberry Pi that you're using does need to have the Raspberry Pi image. So you can get that just from Pi-Star downloads. Just get the latest image. I think this one here, Raspberry Pi 4.1.530, fine. Put the image on and put your WPA supplicant, your Wi-Fi details for your router at home as well. Or you could just use an existing Raspberry Pi you've got and you won't have to change anything initially. So connect it all up. Once you've done that, you're just going to need to go into the settings. Now you'll find it with an IP address like you normally do. Now I just use an IP scanner, like advanced IP scanner, or you can look inside your actual router and look for the IP address, and mine's come up at 192.168.0.101, and it will come up with a page. Now it won't be connected initially, so go to configuration. The password is Pi-Star and Raspberry, and once you're in, all you need to change is, the main thing is here, where see the radio modem type, drop that down like so, and select Blue Mega on BlueStack USB single band, okay, 70 centimeter. That's the one you're looking for. Once that's in, make sure you choose the frequency you're going to use it on, get your call sign in. I've called it Pi-Star. You could call it Pi-Star Blue Gem, to help find it. But otherwise, and then I've got a Q here, ignore that. You'd normally have a B here. So B here, and G is automatic. And then when you apply changes, you can select which reflector you want here. You can change using the radio, but all here. So reflector 1 Charlie, but obviously there's lots to choose from. And then we're doing this setup as D-Star. Now you could actually set it up in DMR. You can hear it going off there. You could set it up in DMR, and you need to add your DMR number or YSF. It's going to work. But in this video, we're just going to do D-Star. I think I will do separate videos showing it on the other radio. So once you've applied that, you're in your dashboard, and it will connect. So use the radio in the normal way. So I can just give a call through now. M0FXB, Mike 0, Fox X-Ray Bravo, calling for an audio check. And you can see that it's working just like any other hotspot, but we're on the Pi-Star system. There's Tommy, just testing it out. So I just replied quickly back to him. Yeah, thanks Tommy, I can't hold it, but doing a quick test there on the new Blue DV. Back to you there, and I'll stand by. Yeah, sorry about that, I think we've got a bit of a flat battery, so not to worry. So that hopefully shows you how to set it up. I'll just go back into configuration, like so, just double check everything. Got MMDVM host there, simplex node, D-Star, Pi-Star here, call sign, frequency, locator, the key thing, radio modem, and it's going to work. So there you are, and we shall be testing this out on other radios as well. 7.3, all the best.